What I'm about to show here is an application of why it's important to be able to find X and Y intercepts. In the example I'm going to have, we're not going to actually find them, but it gives students a good idea of the real importance of being able to find intercepts. Let's say, for example, engineers need to build a bridge over a gap here connecting two pieces of land. Underneath here, let's say there's water. All right, so what they do is mathematicians come in and they figure out the model, figure out the equation that models that curve that represents the bridge. But to get that equation, what we do is we come in and you basically superimpose a Cartesian plane right here. And then you have your tick marks. These tick marks could represent inches, feet, whatever, depending on how accurate you want to be. Well, now whatever the equation is that the mathematicians found for this curve, when we find the x-intercepts, what we're finding are this point and this point. What that represents is where the points where the bridge touches the ground on either side of the ravine. Pretty important and pretty necessary information. Finding the y-intercept, well, that gives us, the engineers, an example, an idea of how tall the bridge is. Again, very useful and very practical and needed information. So finding intercepts, being able to do it is very, very important.